simple AI automation, no-code systems. Tools used, Jotform AI. We will learn how to build your own AI customer service agent, and you don't have to write any code to start. And the best thing is that it's completely free to use. First, head to this website, https://jotform.ai. Once you are on the homepage, click on the button that says Create Your AI Agent. This brings us to a page where we can start building our AI agent. There is an option for us to select a channel. A channel is where a customer will interact with your AI agent. For example, you can want it to be a standalone, and here on the right-hand side you can see what it looks like, etc. Down at the bottom, let's check this box for terms and conditions and click on Next. Remember, you can always come back and choose another channel. This takes us to a page where we can define how we want to start building our agent. We can start from scratch, form, template, or clone ourselves. Let's start from scratch by clicking this option. Here, we will describe the agent we want to start with. At the bottom, you can select options to start with.
I have something specific for me, so let me type in, "This AI agent helps customers place orders, book tours, and get answers to common questions." Then click on Create. Look at that! We now have an AI agent already running. In the top-hand corner, you can see we are in the AI Agent Builder view, and here we will run through all these processes like build, train, and publish before our customers can actually use it. At the left-hand menu, you can jump through all the previews of the channels to see what the agents will look like. Select the standalone view, and you can browse through to see the avatar that works best. Over here, I can search for avatars by typing AI. Let's click on Generate and see if I can use AI to generate an avatar for our chatbot. Let's write in there, "A friendly slim girl dressed in tech office attire," and hit the Generate Avatar button.
Just like that, our avatar is generated for the Oxum AI company. Up on top, let's now click on Style. Let's select this color scene that aligns with the color brand of Oxum AI company. Here, select the agent title. Let's go with Helen Oxum. Select agent role. Let's go with Customer Service Specialist. You can tweak the chat styles, the button styles, and even the layouts. Then let's upload our company logo here. Down at the very bottom, let's click on the Add Welcome page. Here we can fully customize how the welcome page looks. In the right-hand corner, let's modify the welcome page. At the heading, let's add Customer Service, AI Doctor, AI for Beginners. Then the description, AI Beginners Accelerator. Development is strategic, not competitive. Helen can help you place orders, book tours, and get answers to common questions. Over here, these buttons don't quite fit our color screen. Right here on top, click the button and select the color palette of your choice. I think right now, this welcome page is looking very nice.
Now, I think it's time to train the agent. Right on top, let's click on Train. Here, we get to train our agent, and it will use all this information when responding to customers. Let's click on Link and type in the name of our website, iaxum.com, and click on Crawl. Here are all the pages on our website to crawl. Click on Save. It will take a little bit of time to collect all that information from our website. On top, click on this button to add more knowledge. Let's add our product's prices. I have all the information in PDF format. Let's click on File to upload our file. Below, it wants to know how this agent should use this document. Type in the box, "Use this when customers ask about product prices." Then click on Save. Let's add some more knowledge. Click on it at the top. Click on the Knowledge option. I will enter information about our business hours, locations, and phone numbers. Then click on Save.
One of my concerns is that sometimes customers have negative perceptions about the Oxum AI company, and I want to make sure that the agent knows how to handle that. Let's jump into Actions in the left-hand menu. I will click on this drop-down menu on When, and I will select User Sentiment Is. Then I can define the sentiment by typing negative upset. I would like a human agent specialist to step in rather than leaving AI to do it. Down below, I will select Send Email as the action to perform. Below, let's customize the email. I will type something like this. Our AI agent is speaking to an upset customer. Please have a human customer service specialist reach out. Over here, click on Recipients to define the recipient and click on Save. When customers reach out, they would like to tour our company. I would like the agent to book those tours in my calendar. To do that, head over to the left-hand corner menu and click on Tools. Tools allow you to extend the power of your agent, and here we see a few different examples.
Here, click the option to Set Appointment with Google Calendar. Right on top, we need to let this agent know what it uses this calendar for. So let's type something like this. Set an appointment on this calendar when a customer wants to book a tour. Then check both email address and full name. Then click on Edit. Then at the right-hand corner, we can configure the availability. I will go with 60 minutes, and below I set the intervals. Then click Connect to connect with Google Calendar. Then click on Add Action, then click Save. Now we can see that this tool is running. I would also like customers to be able to place an order using this agent. On the left side menu, let's click Forms. Forms allow you to collect data from customers. Click on Add New to add a new form. After creating your form, click Add.
Then, let's teach the agent simply by chatting with it. In the left side menu, click on Teach Your Agent. Look at that. It looks like Helen Axum is ready to speak with me. Then let's ask like this. Our new AI product rewards strategic thinkers, not panic learners. You can chat with your agent and build up the knowledge base. That is the beautiful thing here. We are getting close to finalizing our agent, but before we do that, let's have a quick look at how the agent talks and also acts. At the upper left-hand corner, click on the AI persona, and we will see various options like the agent's name, agent role, language it speaks, and the tone of voice. I think friendly is the best for our company. Down below, you can also adjust the chat response length. I will select short. Down below, you can also set various chat guidelines. Now comes the moment we've all been waiting for. At the top, let's click on Publish. This makes it easy to embed and share your agent on various platforms. To share a direct link, at the top left, click on Quick Share and copy the link. If you want to embed the link on your website, click on Embed, and here we see the embed code, and copy it. Also for Phone Agent, buy a dedicated phone number for at least $10. And here you have all the different channels you can choose from. Let's now test out the agent we've created. Right on top, click Quick Share, and in the top extreme right-hand corner, let's click on Preview, then click on the Chat button. Down below, let's type in, how much is the AI Beginner's Accelerator? Let's see if it can answer that. Oh, it did. Let's ask about business hours. What are your business hours? At the top left-hand corner, let's click on this drop-down menu. Then click on the options for Conversation. It will display conversations customers had with your agents. That's exactly how easy it is to build your AI agent.
Before we get into automating the real workflow with Claude, I have this special offer for you, the AI Beginner's Accelerator. It is a beginner-friendly AI program designed to help you understand, use, and benefit from artificial intelligence strategically without confusion, technical overwhelm, or coding experience. If you want it, check the video description below. How to use Claude to actually get work done. Then let's get started. Go to the link and click on it to get started. It is completely free. Once you get in, this is the main screen. Here in the middle, you will see the prompt box. This is where you type what you want Claude to do. On the left-hand side menu, you have the sidebar. Here you can start a new chat, and below are the advanced features. Right here at the bottom, you can also see your recent projects.
Let's start with something simple. Let's ask Claude to do this. Write a professional email to a supplier asking about pricing for bulk pizza ingredients, then hit the Enter button. Here you can see that Claude created a full email structure. Although it looks good, but it didn't actually specify the type of pizza, and it picked another thing. I don't actually have to start again, rather we will refine it. Then head to the prompt box again and type something like, modify this email so it's for Chinese pizza instead. Then hit the Enter button. Right on top, we can now see the updated email message, and down below it specifies where the key changes. Of course, I can keep going with the refining iteration. I could ask it to make it shorter or make it more friendly. This back and forth kind of iteration is really how you get the best results. Now, as we are happy with the message, at the top, let's fill the placeholder with the required information, and down below, hit the copy icon to copy the message and save. Or you can also open in Mail to send it directly with your email client. Now let's examine another use case, which is summarizing information. Summarizing information. Now let's open a new chat. Go directly to the top left corner and click on New Chat. I have a monthly bank account document to read. Right here at the cross icon, I will click on it. Then select Add Files or Photos to upload a file. Now that my file is here already, the next action is to enter a prompt like this. Summarize this and give me the key takeaways. Now over here, let's run that. Claude pulls out all the important points and presents them in a clean, easy-to-read format. This method works with all kinds of files, docs, PDF, etc. All along, we've been using Claude like a chatbot, writing and summarizing. Then let's get to where it is more interesting. Head over to the left bar menu and hover on More. Then you will see Artifacts. Then click on that. Here, instead of you giving your text on the chats, Claude can actually create things you can work on. Right over here, let's click on Create Artifacts. And over here, we can choose the type of artifacts we would like to create. For this program, I will select Documents and Templates. And down below, I have questions back asking me, what kind of documents or template do I have in mind? I will enter a prompt like this here, create a product launch plan for the Oxum Pizza Company, and hit Enter to run. And before it builds the artifacts, it gives us a quick high-level outline of what I want to build, and I think this looks good. Then down below on the prompt box, type this prompt, that looks great, and hit the Generate button. Now you will notice that this opens up a separate workspace at the extreme right-hand corner, and this is what is called Artifacts. It was created by Claude for you to work on and edit, instead of you doing everything here in the chat. Right now it looks solid, but it looks a little bit more verbose and morphed. So over here on the chat box, we will type prompts like make it more concise and hit the Generate button. You can see that it tightens everything up while keeping all the key points. Then let's see if we can add a sales forecast. Type a prompt like add a section with sales forecasts. Now all we have to do is fill in all these specific details. Then I will highlight where I want to make changes. And once done, I will get this overlay for Improve and Explain. Let's click on Improve. Then type in Make it more persuasive and hit the Update button. Now it improves just that section without changing anything else.
Now, once you start creating documents like this, things can quickly get messy. To keep everything organized, we can use something called projects. Let's now rename this document, or attachments. To do that, let's head over to the top left-hand corner and locate the drop-down menu that reads Documents and Templates. Click on it, and right here we have the options to rename. Click on that, and let's call it Products Launch Plan Pizza. Then click on Save. Right on top, let's still click on this same drop-down menu. Now we can add these artifacts to projects. Right over here, click on Add to Projects. Below, I will see all of my existing projects, and right on top, I can also create a new project. I will make a new one called Pizza Meal Launch and hit Create button. Then, over here on the left-hand corner menu, let's click this icon to open up all the different projects we've created. Here are the projects that we've just created. Let's click on it. With projects, I can keep all my files, chats, etc. all here in one place. For example, I can add a file to this project by uploading one here. Click here and select a file from your device to add. Now we have that file within this artifacts. Apart from adding more files, I can equally add instructions. I can equally tell Claude how I wanted it to respond. To do just that, head toward the right side and click on the icon for instructions. For example, let's tell it to always respond in bullet points and hit Save Instructions. And now anything I ask in this particular project will follow those instructions automatically.
Here is where everything gets more powerful. Inside the projects, Claude can use everything I've added. It can reference my launch plan and also the research document I uploaded to my artifacts. Right here, let's add a prompt like, what should I make as a priority for a successful launch? And let's run that. Now you can see it responded in bullet points and also pointed to the plans and research uploaded. Instead of jumping through chats, everything here is well stated and organized. So far, we've looked at how to do work in Claude, but you can also connect it to other tools. To do that, let's get back to the main chat and have a new chat space. Click on the plus icon to display the menu. Click the option that says Add Connector, and right here, you can connect it to things like your files, your email, or your calendar. You have all sorts of options here. For people getting started, you don't need all of these. Let's close this page. You can also customize how Claude works with something called Skills. Click on the cross icon again and select Skills. You can manage skills. This helps you save reusable instructions and workflows so you don't have to repeat them all the time. For example, you can create skills for writing emails, analyzing data in a specific way. To get deeper, keep in touch for our advanced program coming soon. That's how to use Claude to actually get work done every day. To go deeper, keep in touch for our advanced program coming soon, just like I said.
I have this special offer for you, the AI Beginners Accelerator. It is a beginner-friendly AI program designed to help you understand, use, and benefit from artificial intelligence strategically without confusion, technical overwhelm, or coding experience. If you want it, check the video description below.